A sudden, catastrophic grid failure can plunge an entire city into darkness. This event signifies a widespread disruption in the electrical power supply. Electrical substations and transformers cease functioning, leading to power loss. Urban areas transition from powered environments to dark, non-functional spaces. Electronic devices become inoperable, and phone batteries quickly deplete, isolating residents. Illuminating a residence during a blackout makes it conspicuously visible in a darkened environment. This visible light acts as a signal, indicating the presence of resources. Such resources include power, batteries, or food within the illuminated premises. The conspicuous visibility and implied resources can attract opportunistic individuals. This increases the risk of unwanted attention or potential security breaches during a blackout. To mitigate external visibility, all windows must be covered. Blackout curtains, towels, or blankets are effective for this purpose. Utilize interior rooms for any necessary light sources. Flashlights should be pointed at the floor on their lowest setting. Ideally, flashlights should be equipped with red filters to minimize detection. Openly transporting large quantities of supplies during daylight in a scarcity event creates visible abundance. This display can be perceived by others as hoarding, transforming preparedness into selfishness. Such actions draw unwanted attention, potentially compromising personal safety and security. Maintaining discretion regarding resources is crucial to avoid negative social repercussions during scarcity. The gray man tactic involves blending in to avoid drawing attention during supply acquisition. Individuals should appear as helpless as others to maintain a low profile. Supplies must be transported in small, inconspicuous loads at irregular times from various locations. Visible complaints about scarcity should be maintained to further conceal true activities. Relying solely on standard factory-installed door locks provides inadequate security for homes. Most residential door frames are constructed from soft wood, lacking robust structural integrity. These frames are primarily decorative, not designed to withstand significant forced entry attempts. Consequently, such doors are easily compromised by force, posing a security vulnerability. Enhancing door security involves reinforcing key structural components to prevent forced entry. Replace short screws in door hinges with longer ones for increased stability. These longer screws should penetrate deep into the wall studs, securing the hinge firmly. Similarly, upgrade strike plate screws to ensure they anchor into the wall studs. Install a solid door brace, such as a bar or a 2x4, for additional resistance against impact. Communicating sensitive information online during a blackout poses significant risks. Sharing details like locations, photos of resources, or personal data can be dangerous. Digital content often contains hidden metadata. This metadata can reveal precise location information. It can also expose device details, even without explicit GPS tags. Such information can be exploited, compromising safety and privacy during vulnerable times. To enhance digital security, devices should be placed in airplane mode. Location services must be disabled to prevent tracking. Cloud backup features should also be deactivated to protect data. Battery usage should be conserved to maintain device functionality. Any necessary communication must remain vague and generalized. Avoid sharing specific locations, resource details, or exact addresses. Opening a secure door to strangers, even those appearing distressed, creates a significant security vulnerability. This action can compromise the safety of a residence and its occupants. Individuals with malicious intent may employ deceptive tactics to gain access. These tactics include feigning injuries or fabricating persuasive stories. The goal is often to gain entry, assess the residence's defenses, or access resources. Maintaining a secure perimeter by not opening doors to unknown individuals is crucial for home safety. Maintaining residential security necessitates avoiding direct door access to unknown individuals. All communication with external parties should occur through a securely closed door. If supplies are required, they should be passed through a small, secure opening. The primary barrier, the door, must remain securely closed at all times. For trusted individuals, pre-arranged code phrases should be established and utilized. These measures ensure personal safety and prevent unauthorized entry into the residence. Using uncontrolled open flames for heat or light indoors during a blackout poses significant risks. Unattended candles are a common source of accidental house fires. Improvised heaters can also quickly escalate into dangerous fire hazards. These open flames create a severe risk of house fires due to their uncontrolled nature. Incomplete combustion from such sources can produce carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, lethal gas, posing a silent threat to occupants. To ensure fire safety, only one controlled flame should be active at any given time. Maintain a safe distance between the flame and all flammable materials in the vicinity. Flames should never be left unattended, even for a brief moment, to prevent accidents. Ensure proper ventilation by cracking a window to allow fresh air circulation. Keep fire extinguishing agents readily accessible, such as water, sand, or a fire extinguisher. Adhering to these guidelines minimizes fire risks and ensures a safe environment. Creating unnecessary noise in a silent blackout environment poses a significant security risk. In the absence of ambient city sounds, every noise becomes highly distinguishable. Sounds like conversations or dropped objects can provide actionable intelligence to potential threats. Such noises can indicate occupancy, the number of people present, and resource levels within a location. Maintaining silence is crucial to avoid revealing information during a power outage. Operating a gas generator continuously creates a prominent sound signature. This audible noise can be triangulated from a significant distance. A fixed position for the generator further aids in its detection. Any visible light emitted by the generator also increases its visibility. Combined, sound and light advertise the presence of power and resources. This attracts unwanted attention and potential risks. To mitigate generator detection, strategic placement is crucial. Positioning the unit far from living spaces, enclosing the generator with sound-baffling materials like plywood or dirt mounds further reduces noise. Vents should be designed to direct sound upwards, minimizing horizontal sound propagation. Operations should be limited to specific times when ambient noises can mask the generator's sound. These combined methods enhance concealment, making generator operation less detectable.